Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious charro bean dogs. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need your choice of hot dog wieners, hot dog buns, 16 ounces of longaniza or chorizo, 16 ounces of bacon, 5 cups of beans, 2 chopped Roma tomatoes, 1 chopped onion, chopped chile serrano, 2 minced scarlet cloves, 4 chopped chipotle peppers, a handful of cilantro, a quarter teaspoon of ground cumin, and a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by grabbing our large frying pan and we're going to set it on medium-high heat. And once our pan is ready, we're going to start by cooking our bacon. Separate it, and we're going to cook our bacon for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your bacon should look something like this. So now we're going to add our chorizo or longaniza. We're going to break it down. And we're going to cook everything together for about 3 minutes. Okay guys, so after 3 minutes, we're going to add our onion. And we're going to cook the onion for a couple minutes. Okay, so after a couple minutes, we're going to add our chile serrano and our minced scarlet cloves. And I'm using 1 chile serrano, but of course it's going to depend on how spicy you want your mixture. Okay, so just give it a minute. Alright, so now we're going to add our chile chipotle and tomatoes. Mix that. Alright, so at this point you want to get rid of any fat. Okay. And now we're going to add our beans. And my beans, when I cook them, I only cook them in with onion and salt. That's all I added. So now we're going to add our smoked paprika and cumin. And the bacon and sausage, they already have plenty of salt, so we don't gotta add any of that. Okay, so now I'm also going to add my cilantro. And we're just going to mix it, give it a couple minutes. My beans are fresh, so they're already hot, so we don't have to warm them up. So now we're just going to cook everything together. And then our frijoles charros are done. Alright, so after a couple minutes, our frijoles charros are done. So now we can set them to the side and put our hot dogs together. Alright, so now we're just going to cook our wieners. Alright, so just cook them to your liking. Alright, so once our wieners are ready, now we're just going to remove them from the griddle. And now we're going to prepare our bread. Alright, so now because I love cheese, I'm going to make my bread with cheese. There. Alright, so I'm going to grab my bread with cheese. Okay, like that. Alright, so place your wiener on top. And now you can add our mixture. Let's say mixture. Okay. Alright, so now I'm just going to repeat the process. Alright guys, so of course the topping is going to depend on you. I'm just going to add a little bit more queso Oaxaca. I'm going to add some avocado. And some crushed chicharrones. and serve it with some jalapeños, and that's basically it. Now we're ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. And let me tell you guys that these hot dogs are perfect for your upcoming gatherings, you know, your barbecues. It's just so delicious, so flavorful. I hope you give them a try. So now enjoy. So flavorful, super delicious. Everything is just seriously the best. You ain't gonna want any other hot dog. This is gonna be your go-to. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a delicious charro bean dog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.